Hello students, in the previous video we have done exercise 4.2 question number first and second linear equation in two variables, and in this video we will do question number third and fourth of exercise 4.2. What is the statement? Third questions. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. Now this is a linear equation in two variables, first is x and second is y. We have to check whether these numbers 0, 2 are is solution of this equation. First of all we will write equation here x minus 2y equal to 4. Now in place of x we will write here 0 and in place of y we will write here 2. Then we get 0 minus 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. Then we get 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4 equal to 4. Is it right? No. This is not possible. Therefore, we can say that 0, 2 is not a solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Then its second part is 2, 0. Here we will put value of x equal to 2 and value of y is 0. Now same equation is given x minus 2y equal to 4. We will put here values. We get 2 minus 2 multiplied by 0 equal to 4. Here we have taken 2. And here in place of y we have taken 0 and 2 as it is and 4 as it is. Then we get 2 minus 0. 2 zeros are 0 equal to 4. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 4 as it is. Then is it right? 2 equal to 4? No, which is not possible. Therefore we can say left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore 2, 0 is not a solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Then third part is 4, 0. Now again given equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. Here we will take value of x equal to 4 and value of y equal to 0. We will put these both values in this equation. Then we get 4 minus 2 multiplied by 0 equal to 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. Then right side same as it is 4. Therefore 4 equal to 4. We can say left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore 4, 0 is a solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Then its fourth part is under root 2, 4 under root 2. Now given equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. Now we will put value of x equal to under root 2 first number and value of y second number 4 under root 2. We will put these both values in this equation. We get under root 2 minus 2, here 2 as it is, and value of y is 4 under root 2 equal to 4. Under root 2 here as it is, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 under root 2 equal to 4. Now this is an irrational equation and this is rational. And we can say left hand side is not equal to right hand side because rational is not equal to irrational. Therefore under root 2, 4 under root 2 is not a solution of this equation. Then fifth part is 1, 1. Then same equation we will write here x minus 2y equal to 4. Here we will put value of x equal to 1 and value of y equal to 1. Then we get students 1 minus 2. Now here we will write here 1 and this 2 as it is. 2 ones are 2. This is equal to 4. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 equal to 4. Is it possible? No. Therefore we can say left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore 1, 1 is not a solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Then last question of exercise 4.2, question number 4 is find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Now here values are given x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 and equation is also given 2x plus 3y equal to k. We will put these both values in this equation. Then we get 2 multiplied by 2. Here firstly we will write given x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of 2x plus 3y equal to k. This is given. Then we will put values, put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. We get 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1 equal to k. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Therefore value of k is 7, which we have to find. Okay, thank you students. If you like my video then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.